right, friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Garfield Sitting. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna draw a great big oval like this. And then we're going to draw a line across the bottom and have a little bit of a black pupil here. Then we're gonna draw another oval here, but it's overlapping the first one, or the first one's overlapping it. And then the line continues across, and we're gonna draw a little pupil here. And we're gonna draw a circle. And then we're gonna draw a line coming down, back up, a line coming around like so, and then kind of a round line right there like that. And then we're gonna draw a line underneath of it, coming back up like that. And then a line coming down, and then there's a line coming across, back up, and then some zigzags here. This is all black at the top of his ear. We have another line coming up, down, and then this one comes around like that. Some zigzags. And we've got some little whiskery things here. Here's the side of his face. Oh, you know what? I forgot a part. Okay, so then this part, there's another part that comes around like that. And then this line comes down like that. And there's his big old belly. Here's his little paw. And then he's got a leg coming down with a paw. And then his other leg comes down, but his back leg kind of comes around here. Like that. And this one comes up and around. The back comes around. And then I got the tail. The tail comes around like that, kind of like a number 6 kind of. And then he's got this little kitty cat markings. Okay. Maybe a few markings over here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, I think when I color this, yeah, I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger at the top, and then that'll be orange. Okay, so hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.